Humming on a summer breeze, sun on my shoulders, warm and slow, green hill rolling where wildflowers grow. Feet in the grass, sky stretch wide, white clouds wandering like boats on tide. Breathe in the quiet, let the day sink through. Every small whisper pulling me to you. Humming on the green hilltop.